All of you. Today we are the students of grade 6th day in Suraj School Bawal, and today's our topic is on circle.
Circle. A circle is the collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remain constant. It has curved line. It has infinite line of symmetry. It doesn't have any vertex. It doesn't have any sides. It doesn't have any line segment.
Perimeter of a circle 2 by r. R equals to radius, pi equals to 22 by sum, area of square, pi r square.
Diameter. A line segment passing through the center of circle are called diameter. All the diameter are called concurrent. The center of diameter of circle are concurrents. An infinite of diameter of circle can be drawn. Radius. Radius is the half of diameter. How to find radius? Diameter upon 2. For example, 22 is diameter. 22 is divided by 2 equals to 11. 11 is the radius. Chord. A line segment with its end point on the circle is called chord. There are infinite number of chords in the circle. Interior and exterior of the circle. Interior. A point which inside the circle is called interior. For example, point PQR. Exterior. A point which outside of the circle is called exterior. For example, point ABC. The end point of diameter of a circle. Divide the circle into two parts. Then each part is called semicircle. The area bounded by an arc joining the end point to the circle is called sector of the circle. Segment of circle. Segment. A chord AB of a circle divides the circular region into two parts. Each part is called the segment of circle. There are two types of segment of circle: major segment, minor segment. Major segment. The segment containing the center of circle is called the major segment. Minor segment. While the segment not containing the center of circle is called minor segment. A fixed point is called the center of the circle and it consists distance is called radius. A line passing through the center is called diameter. Thank you. A line passed through the center of a circle and having its endpoint of the circle is called diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius.
Secant. A line passing through the circle and intersecting the circle at 2 points is called secant of the circle.
Arc. Any part of a circle is called an arc of the circle. You look on the activity page. ABC is the minor arc and ADB is the major arc. Concentric circle. When two or more circles with the same center is called concentric circle. Thank you.